Hello! So, I don't like the direction the YouTube channel is going in. I think video games are stinky, and I've opted to turn this channel into a cooking channel. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. If you want to make this into some sort of recipe guide, we'll just get it started. Today we're going to be making Ian's botched Italian meatloaf. It's a staple of mine. Cook it all the time for any household that I've ever lived in, basically, and it's something that's sort of my trademark. So, let's go ahead and get started.
Kicking us off here, you want to go ahead and bring your temperature up to 400 degrees. For the ingredients, you'll need 3 pounds of ground beef, ricotta or cream cheese, 3 eggs, but you can get away with 2 cans of spaghetti sauce, more on those later, and 2 different types of chips or crackers, also more on those later. Another crucial step would be washing your hands, obviously. We're going to deal with some cross-contamination here, and you're going to have chips left over, and you don't want to get those infected with any weird meat stuff, you know? Starting us off here with the preparation, go ahead and add 2/3 of whatever chips you have. Both kinds. What's really cool about this recipe is that it leaves some room for creativity through way of experimenting. My go-to for this recipe are these hot and spicy Cheez-Its as well as chicken biscuits. The latter of these two can end up being pretty rare just for I don't know why. So if you can't find them or whatever else the case may be, just go ahead and use whatever chips you want. 2 pro tips I have regarding the chips though. If you're not a big fan of a corn taste, probably try to avoid corn chips as much as possible. If you end up using them anyway, then just be careful with how much you add. Also, try to avoid anything with the consistency of hot fries. It'll make the meatloaf really spongy and you don't want that. If they're available, just stick with these 2.
These 2 are really good.
While our hands are still uncontaminated, let's work with the ricotta. You can also use cream cheese if you so wish. In a separate bowl, go ahead and give the ricotta a plop. Then just go ahead and give whatever spices you want to flavor your ricotta with. My go-to things are Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, chicken bouillon, just whatever sounds good. Go ahead and give the ricotta and seasoning a mix. Our meatloaf filling also serves as a good dip, too. Then what you want to do now is destroy your chips. And from here you can start contaminating your hands. Go ahead and hoist the vine log and give her a cut. Deploy the payload. Throw in your thregs or tregs, and then proceed to mix by hand. Although you probably want to remove the eggs and actually crack them. Lube up a cookie sheet. And finally, dunk. Shape the loaf.
Boat.
Add ricotta.
Cheese. Seal the wee beastie. Okay. Give her a flip. Oh no. Just so everything stays intact. What you're left with is perfectly fine meat slug.
By now your oven should be nice and preheated, so go ahead and pop her on in. Cook for 1 hour and we'll check on it when it's done. Perfect time for editing a video, actually. After the hour's up, go ahead and take it out. Cut it down the middle and see if there's any pink left. This one's not quite done, so we'll stick it back in the oven for another 15 minutes.
Seal it back up.
When it looks all good, it's sauce time. We like using these Hut's cans of spaghetti sauce just because they're cheap. You can get them for like $1 each. But really, with the whole customization thing, you can use whatever sauce you want to. These real deep casserole dishes are really good for containing all the sauce and the loaf. This is a really messy, meaty dish, and it helps to keep the mess sort of contained. Parmesan cheese if you so choose. And the last 2 things I'll add, for one, the meatloaf comes out extremely greasy. You can mitigate this by getting an 80 lean, 20 fat log of ground beef, but also very carefully drain any excess grease that you might have in the pan. What you're left with is a wonderful family meal that will feed 4 people. And you'll have leftovers at the end too.
And there you have it, botched Italian meatloaf. Like I said, this feeds a family of 4 and is just a good thing to cook if you want some leftovers or whatnot. I hope you enjoyed the meal, and similarly, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm hoping this new direction works wonders for the overall growth of the channel and all that. With that, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. If you enjoyed it, then as always, a like and comment is always appreciated. Subscribe to get new videos from me every Friday, and you can join the Patreon for $1 a month. Doing so will allow me to read your name out loud at the end of these videos, get you early access to videos as soon as I get them done, and a whole bunch of other stuff too. I hope you enjoyed watching, and have a good day.
A very special thank you to Stefan over on patreon.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope your April 1st isn't as, annoyingly joke-filled as, it can be.
I don't like the direction that the YouTube... I don't like the... So, I don't like the...
Are you having trouble saying it because it's not true?
Yes.